Well, guys, it happened. A bad storm blew through today, and afterwards there was no power. There's still no power, and we are in a brownout, blackout. I don't know. We see some people with power one direction. We see some people with power the other direction. But that's over at our house that we are soon to abandon. But you know what, though? Here at my place, there's power. Yeah, I am loving having this off-grid solar system here with a battery bank. Look at this, I'm in the garage. I've been over here trying to chop out you guys a video. And man, I'm doing fine. Look here, well, I got me some hot water going right here. Got me some coffee. Of course, like I always show, I got my little refrigerator. My laptop's going, and something y'all haven't seen that I did today is I put me up a fan. Yeah, I robbed this out of the house over there in our spare bedroom. It wasn't being used. That circuit's dead over there right now, so hey, put it to use here because we're gonna start taking things out of that home anyway. So up in this corner here where I like to sit and near that window by my toolboxes and all here. Look at her. Isn't that nice? Isn't that a nice setup? I put me a fan. Keeps the mosquitoes blowing off of me and some cool air blowing on me. Man, I'm doing good. So Melinda, she's back over at the house over there with a candle burning. Yeah, she's like, babe, I'm gonna go back home because I'm worried about the candle. Catching something on fire. And I said, well, you go to your house, I'm at mine. Man, I could live right here in this garage without a problem. I'm just, it don't, what would I say? I don't require a lot, yes. I don't require a lot. I got a hand pump well outside, there's me some water. And I got this solar here. Shoot, I can watch TV right there. Laptop there, refrigerator there, hot water right there, fan. What else do I need? You know, us guys, man, we're a little. Some guys like all those creature comforts, but man, I tell you what, I can do without it, boy. I mean, I can. Most of what I do is wanting to make my wife happy, and that's about all I can say. Me, I could live back in the sticks and be happy. I'm telling you, like, why are you coming up my trail? Who are you? That's the way I would be, boy. I'm telling you. Who is this? Well, I just want to share this, and I hadn't had a whole lot of footage to show you guys. I will tell you this. You know, I'll be showing you, if I hadn't already, I may already show you by the time you see this, but a concrete pole with a huge footing down deep in the ground at the beach out there. Well, today it was beautiful. It was crystal clear. The water was still, there was no waves. It was super low tide. I said, let's dig it and get this thing in down deep now, because I need it below any washout zone, you know, so that pole will stay up past typhoons and all. Well, everything is going good. They were digging it all out. They set up, made them some shade and stuff. And then I noticed they kind of start slowing them down and kind of messing around. And I started cracking the whip on them. You know, y'all need to pick it up. I said, I can see storm clouds back in the distance. And I'm kind of pushing them, but I can tell they really don't buy my story that there's clouds because it's super sunny and hot. But I did see clouds. And so nevertheless, I start pushing them fast, man. You know, you need to shovel 3 times faster. You need to do this, you need to do that. And they were keeping the pace with what I was asking. And we got the steel down in the bottom, and we got the steel up for the column, and we're ready to pour this in. And man, they start pouring. the cement, mixing it and putting it in, and they got it about, I don't know, maybe 5 or 6 inches thick. It needs to go way more than that. They were just getting it where it was starting to cover the steel. And heck, in fact, it was probably at least 6 inches thick at that point. And but it needs to be all the way up over the steel and finished. And I can still see these clouds coming. And I told them, man, we need to hurry and get this in and get that steel buried into that cement in the middle of it. Well, just right in the middle of doing it, they decided it's break time. And I said, man, guys, it's about to rain. And plus, we don't need to stop in the middle of a mix. And they're all kind of lagging, which it's been a hot day. And Marvin and Arlie, they say, oh no, the storm is only back at the mountains, because the wind was blowing, you know, if you went by the wind, it was like it was blowing it away from us. I said, you're going by the wind down here, but I'm looking at the high clouds up above, and this is coming in. Well, they just laugh at me, right? Ha ha ha. They laugh. And they take break right in the middle of it. I said, you know what? Y'all hurry and take your break and just get back here. We got to hurry and get this done. Well, they take their break and then they come back. And you know, it's just 15-minute break. But 15 minutes counts when rain's coming. And they come back and they're just lollygagging around up here. They're not on it, you know, they're not on the ball, because they still just don't believe it's happening. And I'm like, come on, guys, mix the cement, hurry, we got to do this. I start all of a sudden feeling raindrops. And they're still just smiling like it ain't going to happen. And then it happened. Man, did it ever happen. It came in, I mean, with full force. It was a full-fledged major storm. Oh, my God. It flooded that hole. The water down this ramp went straight to that big hole that was dug out by the beach for that. It just flooded into it. I was super mad, boy. I mean, mad. And now they're all sitting underneath the cover, just in from break, and now they're sitting having a break, and because it's pouring down rain, and my mouth was tuk, 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 tuk. Boy, I was mad at them. If y'all just waited your break, we would have had that cement already in there. We would have had that cement in there, because at that point we could have, you know, had some time to prep and deter any water. And man, I was not happy. Plus, the cement would stay settled down. The water would have just been on top of it once the cement was in there. Well, sand caved in down around it and all with the gushing hard rain. We had, when the rain stopped, we had to bail that thing out. We had to dig sand out off the top of it. And we finally got down to where the cement was, and it was still pliable. And we were able to hurry and get a mix in, and take steel rods and stab it really good and all, and get it all mixed where it would bond together. And I think we turned out all right. We got a lot of concrete in there, but I tell you, it would have been 1/3 of the work if they would have just waited 15 more minutes before they took that break.
Basahan nyo ron! Ikiwalay nyo! Iya, di pa tama na. Titim. Whoops! Whoop! Whoop!
Kan orang kata kana ai. Lai dai.
Di kada ano?
Di naman ay gut piya ko. Amor ka na planuan patulad. Ikiwal. Tara jalan ta. Tara do jamba damu gi ikiwal taluat eh. Tiga ada itu kangan beri kata tiga rumah nih. Jadi, nah ikiwal anda tiga rumah nih. Ang nomor tadi sih kira beli gila.
Ikiwalay nyo.
Boleh kan tabla.
Diba? Ay,
Uy, nasukit ay ka tawid.
Is the water pipe okay?
it's okay po.
basi makawala niya kuya na karon eh. Nya tabunan na diri yan eh. Ipapatungan na ibutang man. Check first bro, check first. We get first bro.
I'm just gonna,
Ipo, get one.
yeah, maybe remove that.
Oh, very simple to. Turun.
Yeah! Yeah!
Yeah, hey! Daw karadlaman.
Yeah! Wah!
Go! Go!
Up, up, up!
Ambubon! Up, up.
Wow! 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 Yeah!
Tawal sa pulis ay. Ini pa lagi perapitan mo to tara digtong kamera. Ingat. Lagi perapitan mo to. Oh. Very simple. Lagi propol pag bulo ini jadi sunto. Natapos na ang pagkatusta. Matot na kita.
Told you. Never even any trouble from my truck.
Bro. Success bro, very simple. Simple.
Over with.
Bro,